Okay, now we're going to use a basic command of research and summarization prompts. So we're back in with ChatGPT, and we're going to say, let's see, summarize the key points of this article. So I just Googled why don't people like the acolyte. So if we, maybe this isn't the best one to do. Hang on, sorry. Let's find, maybe these are all just going to be chat. I don't know, let's see. Well, we could just go back to that. Okay, let's go. You can see that Google gave me a nice little AI overview. But let's just plug some of this stuff in. Why do people do that? And then we're going to get just some of these right here. How about that? So we're just going to copy. We're over at ChatGPT, so we're going to just paste. And we're going to see. It's just going to summarize everything for us. So you can see we've got our whole entire, everything we put there. The article from Game Rant explains why the Acolyte, a Star Wars series, has received positive reviews from critics but mixed and negative reactions from fans. So here we go. Perceived disrespect for canon, changes in established concepts, story and execution issues, real-world politics, and religion debate. There you go. So if you were interested in that, you are welcome to figure out more of that. What are the latest trends in houseplants? How about that? Okay, houseplant trends are continually evolving, reflecting shifts in aesthetics, sustainability, and lifestyle preferences. As of early 2025, notable trends include minimalist and architectural plans. It gives you a reference here. That's interesting. That's good. Sustainable and eco-friendly practices. There you go. Open terrariums. Martha Stewart. Air plants. Wild trailing plants. Hydroponic houseplants. Vertical indoor gardens. For a visual overview of houseplant designs, you might find this informative. Well, that doesn't happen very often, so that's really exciting. This must be something that ChatGPT has added. Okay, so let's just keep on the theme of houseplants, and let's say list key statistics about Monstera plants. Okay, we don't know what they're going to tell us, but let's just see what's going on. Okay, we're giving feedback on a new version of ChatGPT. So I have been doing AI writing for over 2 years, and part of that I decided to enroll in like a 1-year model training program. So I would go through and read models, read the responses like this and decide which one I thought was better. So I don't know if you'll get these, but I get it because I used to do that. But sometimes I think you will probably get these and you get to help train. It's a language learning model, so you'll help get to train that. So here are the key statistics and facts about Monstera plants. Here are the key statistics and facts about Monstera plants, a popular houseplant known for its striking appearance. So we've got a little bit more information over here. Growth rate and size, maintenance, optimal conditions, unique features, water and soil, market popularity, air quality, propagation toxicity, longevity. So we have a little bit longer over here. This one I like the way that it broke it down a little bit more, but maybe we'll just say this one just because it's a little bit more interesting. So there you go. Now that's the one that we have. I mean, you can change it to the 1 point, that was the first one that we got. Here's the second one. So we could do that. But see, there you go. We have some key statistics and facts about Monstera plants. So that was our research and summarization. So we could actually plug in a bunch of information from websites if we wanted to do that. And then here we go right here, Control C. Let's do provide a brief summary of quantum mechanics for a beginner. So let's see what this gives us. And you could constrain it by saying the age. Give this for a 15-year-old. You could say give this for a 2-year-old. So you could just, you could change whatever age you want to make this. And you see I've hit the free plan limit for GPT-4. So we don't need to, so I can't add any more to this unless I pay for a subscription. So you can see that you can pay for a subscription, you can get more chats with it, but we'll stop with this one right here. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that studies the behavior and matter and energy at the smallest scales, such as atoms. So it breaks it down for you. Let's just plug it over here into Claude for a second, and we're going to say, please simplify this for a 5-year-old. And we'll see what it gives us. Okay, I have to scroll down apparently. hey there, let me tell you about something really cool that's the tiniest things in the world. Imagine you have a butterfly. Okay, so it does know how to do that. And see, we're out of free messages again until 3 p.m. So we got that with all of them because I'm not subscribing to any of those. But you can see those are some of the research and summarization prompts that we have that you could use.